Good morning. CSU, Colorado State University, updated its hurricane season forecast for this 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. Now, the average is 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. And the CSU forecast had 17, 9, and 4, but now they've adjusted to 16, 8, and 3. Of course, we'll continue to track throughout the season. Right now, not too much out there or no notable activity in particular, just some clouds off the coast. And with that, we have a plume of Saharan dust headed our way. That'll help keep the atmosphere dry to hopefully limit and suppress some of this tropical development.